Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the password of your Shein account from your mobile app. First of all, download the Shein app from your Play Store or App Store, and once it's downloaded, open it. Now, tap on the Me option on the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, in order to change the password of your account, you must be logged into your account, and if you don't know how to log in, we have a separate video on how to log into your Shein account, whose link will be in the description. And once you're logged into your account, tap on the gear icon on the top right side of the screen and then tap on account security. Now tap on the option change password, and here first of all enter the old password of your account. Now enter a new password for your account. After that, confirm the new password by typing it again in the box below. Now tap submit, and there you have it. You have successfully changed the password from your Shein account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.